Test drive the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, keyless start, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.